Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we calculate the molar volume of carbon dioxide at high pressure and high temperature using van der Waals equation of state, and we compare the answer with ideal gas prediction. Let us start. Read the problem carefully. Carbon dioxide at 60 degrees Celsius and 10 megapascals is stored in a cylinder using van der Waals equation of state. A is given 0.3658 Pascal meter to the power 6 and mole to the power minus 2, and B is given 4.29 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter cube mole inverse. So now from here calculate the molar volume and compare with the ideal gas prediction. So TC and PC is given. So van der Waals equation of state, that is P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. So A by V square is intermolecular attraction correction and B is molar volume correction. So now from here you can see the given data. T is 60 degree centigrade, that means if you convert Kelvin, so that is 33.15 Kelvin. 10 megapascal means 10 to the power 7 Pascal. A is given, B is 4.29 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter cube mole inverse. TC is given, PC is given, R is here 8.314 joule per mole Kelvin. Now here you can check the state. So TR and PR all are greater than 1, so it is a supercritical carbon dioxide. Now here we are calculating the molar volume by using ideal gas law. So RT by P, so we put R and T values and P value. So from here we get that V ideal is 2.77 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube mole inverse. So limitation of ideal gas, we know that ideal gas assumes 0 molecular size, ignore B, and no intermolecular force, ignore A. At 10 high pressure 10 megapascal and T equal to 1.1 TC, both assumptions break down. Carbon dioxide molecules are densely packed and strongly attract each other. So that means real V much less than V ideal. So now using cubic form of van der Waals equation, so we will reorganize PQ minus B plus RT by P V square plus A by P V minus AB by P. So here we are calculate the coefficient of all, that VQ is 1, that V square is minus B plus RT by P. So if we plug, we will get 3.1 into 10 199 into 10 to the power minus 4, then V, that is plus 3.68 into 10 to the power minus 8, then minus A by P, so that is free coefficient 1.569 into 10 to the power minus 12, that is equal to 0. You can use calculator and you can easily get the real root. So that will be V van der Waals will be 1.350 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube per mole inverse. Now if you can verify that, so you can put that V value in the van der Waals equation, we will get the P. So P will be the 10 megapascal, so it will be verified. So now you can calculate the deviation. So ideal gas, we got the volume is 2.77 into 10 to the power minus 4. Van der Waals equation, we got the V, that is 1.350 into 10 to the power minus 4. So difference is del V 1.42 into 10 to the power minus 4. Now if you calculate the deviation with respect to van der Waals, so we'll get 105%. But we can also take the deviation from ideal gas, that will be nearly 35%. So here is the physical reason. So P greater than PC and T equal to 1.1 into DC. So supercritical carbon dioxide has strong intermolecular attraction, term A by V square, that is ideal gas badly overestimate V. So from here we can easily calculate what will be the molar volume of van der Waals gas, and we also compare with the ideal gas. So we got the deviation with respect to van der Waals gas. So that is van der Waals formula means we calculate the molar volume and we calculate the deviation. So that the deviation equals 105%. So if you feel this video is helpful to you, so please subscribe my channel to get more thermodynamics problem. Thank you.